There are few things more dramatic in the night sky than a star exploding. Our own star, the Sun, is unlikely to explode in the same way. Instead, it will balloon before dying out. However, stars across the universe explode in what is known as a supernova, when they die out dramatically in a bright exit as they eject their mass. In recent times, with our advanced technology being able to watch the night sky, we have been unable to witness a supernova, but that may all be about to change, and if it does, will we be able to survive it on Earth? Welcome to Space Aspect, a channel that looks at all things space. If you're enjoying this video, please give us a like, and if you want to be the first to see videos just like this one, remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now, our exploding star. What we're talking about today is the closest red supergiant star to Earth. This is known as Betelgeuse. Now, we all know Betelgeuse as the star of 90s cinema, but it's also a star 942.5 light years away from us and the 10th brightest star in our night sky. Betelgeuse has long been on astronomers' radars, and when the Greek astronomer Hipparchus devised a 6-level division for the brightness of stars in around 129 BC, the star was classified first magnitude, in the middle of around 21 of the brightest stars in the night sky. But this wasn't the case recently. The giant star dimmed, and this caused a lot of interest in the scientific community, because when a star dims, it can be a sign that it's on the verge of collapse. This checks out with timings of a star's life cycle. It was born around 10 billion years ago. Like the Sun, it started to shine when its core heated up to such a degree the hydrogen began to turn to helium. It's a familiar reaction, as this is how hydrogen bombs explode. The big difference with Betelgeuse is that it's a lot bigger than the Sun, so it's gone through its hydrogen fuel in just a few million years. Following this, reactions like helium burnt to carbon, followed by the production of neon and then silicon. Eventually this will go through to iron, and that's when the star becomes unstable. In its current state, the giant ball of gas is pulsating and changing brightness with it. This is the precursor to a supernova. So if this does happen, then what chance do we have on Earth? The good news is that although it would light up the night sky in the same way as a full moon, the distance between us and it means that we would be safe. Experts have said that a danger zone for a supernova could be as little as a few dozen light years away. And considering Betelgeuse is hundreds of light years away, well, we're well out of the radiation zone that would have a catastrophic impact on our planet. Instead, we could watch from a safe distance as the star finally drew its last breath and put on a little light show at the same time. So assuming the star does explode in 2022, don't worry, we're going to be fine. And we'll have a chance to see something we haven't seen for centuries, and especially not with the technology we take for granted today. Are you looking forward to a supernova? Let us know in the comments, and please like this video if you've enjoyed it. If you want to see more videos out of this world, then please subscribe to the Space Aspect. Thanks for watching.